Hello guys, I'm Arvind, and in this lecture I'm going to discuss the need of machine learning and the types of machine learning. So let's go ahead and we'll discuss the need of machine learning. So what is the need of machine learning in the current scenario? As we know, people worldwide use different technologies which generate a huge amount of data every day, and it is not easy to manage and access this data, and more than 80% of this large amount of data is not structured. That includes documents, audio, video, etc. So it is an impossible task for human to manage this huge data. This is where machine learning comes into action to reduce the time required to process this massive amount of data. So now moving on to next topic, and that is types of machine learning. So let's go ahead and we'll discuss types of machine learning. So we can divide machine learning into three parts. First one is supervised learning, second one is unsupervised learning, and the last one is reinforcement learning. So let's go ahead and we'll discuss one by one. So as the name suggests, supervised learning involves the presence of a supervisor as a trainer. So basically it is a learning process with which we train or teach the machine using data that is well structured. For example, data is tagged with the correct answer. So after that, the machine is provided with new sets of examples, or we can say data, so that the supervised learning algorithm analyze the training data set and produce a correct outcome from the structured data. So I hope it is clear to you. So now moving on to next type of machine learning, and that is unsupervised learning. So let's go ahead and we'll discuss it. So as the name suggests, no training is provided to the machine in this case. So therefore the machine has to learn by itself from the unstructured data. So this is the training of machine using information that is neither classified nor structured, and allowing the algorithm to act on the items without supervision. So here is the task of the machine is to group unsorted information according to the similarities, patterns and differences without any prior training data. So now moving on to next topic, and that is reinforcement learning. So let's go ahead and we'll discuss it. So this is an area of machine learning that is related to taking suitable action to maximize rewards in a particular situation. So it is used to find the best possible path for particular circumstances. The difference between reinforcement learning and the supervised learning is that in supervised learning, the training data has the answer key with it. So the model is trained with the correct answers itself. However, in reinforcement learning, there is no answer key, and the reinforcement agents decides what to do to perform the given task. So in the absence of training dataset, the machine learns from its experiences. So I hope it is clear to you, and thank you so much guys for watching this video. Just in case you liked it, do not forget to like and subscribe. I will see you then in the next video.